Good morning everyone. Today we have Laghima Negi of Hayde Heritage Academy. Today she is going to do single digit addition subtraction. Right now she is in level 1 of Distinctive Abacus. Start Laghima. Make 5, add 4, minus 7, add 8, add 3, add 6, minus 8, add 9, add 9 again, add 5, add 6, add 3, add 2, add 1, add 4, add 5, minus 3, add 7, minus 4, add 5, add 3, add 2, add 1, add 4, add 9, add 3, add 2, add 6, add 3, add 5. Yes, Laghima, say your answer.
98.
98 is the right answer. Wonderful. Congratulations.